think bukas papunta na tayo sa cross-examination. As to 23, I think it was way more than that, no? Yung mga iniisa sa inyo mga pangalan kanina. Tulad ng sinabi namin kanina, libo-libo yung acknowledgement receipts dito, but minabuti na namin na hindi na isa-isahin to, no? At makita mo, at some point, si Attorney Kapunan, she took over instead of asking the witness to read them one by one dahil masyadong mahaba, no? Kaya nga, dito pumapasok na, no? Yung tanong kanina, paano namin masisigurado that the people will continue to watch, stay engaged, no? Kasi nga, if it gets too dragging, magiging problematic din yan. No? So, kaya pinipili na lang namin because we think we already made our point na kahit na hindi na kailangan ilatag lahat because of the limitations and time constraints, ang sa aming palagay, no, naging sapat na yung those documents that we focused on a while ago.
Wala na po ito yung asahan bukas na mas malaki pang attorney.
No more new acknowledgement receipts, I would guess, no? But hintayin natin kung ano magiging sagot niya sa cross-examination and dun sa mga questions ng mga senators. Well, Gab, siyempre depende sa cross-examination nila yan. Kung wala naman silang matatanong,